Hello and welcome back. Just want to make this quick video. This is about egress windows. So if you have a basement window that is fully encased in concrete like this one is, and it's anchored to the concrete, that means you have a basement egress window, and it'll have a window well around it. And what happens is, sometimes in hard rains, we'll get calls and people will be concerned because there'll be water in this track where this window slides. I just want you to be aware that this is common and it's normal for this type of window. The reason is because water will hit this glass, come down, and it has to have a place to escape. So it goes into this track, which has integrated weep holes right here. So the water will come in this track and drain out. One thing to keep track of, though, is to make sure that all this rock and whatever doesn't splatter up and plug those weep holes. So a little trick you can do is these windows actually do come out. I'm going to set this down real quick. Slide it over, lift it up, and voila. The sliding sash can be removed, and I've already pulled the screen out just so I could reach over and show you that the integrated weep holes in these egress windows, but also what that sash slides on, this track here, it also comes out to expose the inner track. So water will come down, get on this track, and then that's how it gets to that outer weep hole, is these little weep holes right here. There's also one going to be underneath here too. So this track snaps in and out. You just got to be careful about how you pull it out. Just don't put too much pressure to break it, and then you just want to make sure you get that clean so it doesn't get full of debris and dirt and gunk and things like that. But that water should eventually drain back out of that track, and that's how it escapes out there. So it's not something to be concerned about. Now, if it does ever get to the point where it's starting to look like it's going to spill over, that means you probably need to clean out your weep holes either on the outside or underneath this track. Hope that helps.